guys, it's Grace and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing all my paper squishies. So let me go get those. So I have 2 more in my dad's car and I will go get those later. First, I have this really cute silly cookie. It's very nice. Next, I have some Skittles. Let me give you my other one. Get out of my closet. Sorry, I'm back. I have this little cute koala. The paint's chipping off, but here's the other side. Koala, it is so nice. So, you're gonna come with me. I don't know what to wear today, so I'll figure that out later. You got this, buddy. Stay. Sissy to the rescue.
Sissy to rescue.
Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys.
Hi, babies.
Welcome back to my channel. Say welcome back to my channel. Can I go get something out of your white car?
My white car?
Your big one.
Yeah, if you actually get all the trash out of there like I told you guys to the other night.
Okay.
The keys are in my black coat pocket on the right side. Okay, and I mean all the trash, because you guys didn't really take anything out of it.
I know.
I told you to. We took my Armada to the one the other night, and the girls just had a party back there. No, not a good work product. The Armada.
Oh, it's actually pretty nice out today. I like it. I think I might play outside later. Oh my gosh, why is it so bright? Ah!
Yeah.
I'm making a YouTube video. You scared me.
Oh, sorry. But yeah, it's got the bucket seats in the middle, and then the back seats.
Where'd my pizza go? I have 3 in here. I know I have one somewhere. Where'd it go? this is gonna look. So you guys are just gonna have to ride along for a bit. Actually, you can stay in here. Hi. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, 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 hi. You guys good in there? Sorry about the wait. I always do that a lot just to make sure it's good. Ah! I don't have time for that. This. Note to self, don't go outside anymore today. Okay. The others. I have a tiny bitty donut. And I have my panda bun. Anyway, I was not expecting this to be 11 minutes. Bye. Subscribe, like, it would mean a lot to me. Bye.